Hey, how's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So I was going to vlog about getting the new DJI Osmo Mobile 2, but I had something I thought might be a little bit more interesting and a little bit more fun to talk about. I kind of got wind of this guy. He's been tweeting out some very interesting stuff since about January 31st of last year. Either this guy is a psychic or he has an inside scoop on the next release of DJI drones. So interesting enough, I went back and went through his tweets, and he's been tweeting about 3 new DJI drones. He's tweeted about the Spark 2, which in his concept drawings appear to have rear vision, rear obstacle avoidance, enhanced Wi-Fi, and a 3-axis 4K gimbal. He's also tweeted about the DJI Mavic Pro 2, and interesting enough, he's also tweeting about actually seeing a prototype for a DJI Phantom 5 that has a 50mm camera that you can switch out lenses. Actually seeing the prototype for the Phantom 5 is probably telling me that he's got some insider tips. So I'm going to be following this guy very closely. He's thinking that the Mavic Pro 2 is actually going to be, he tweets that it's actually going to be more like a foldable Phantom 4 Pro. It's going to have the camera and the obstacle avoidance of the Phantom 4 Pro in the foldability design of the Mavic Pro. And he's saying that it's going to probably be released around the $1,300 mark, which is sort of in line with the Phantom 4 series. But it's going to be bigger. So if you guys are out looking for a small compact drone, this is not going to be the drone for you. If you're looking for something that's got a cheaper price point, this is probably not going to be the drone for you at $1,300 for a standard package and probably up to $1,500 for a Fly More combo. This is probably going to be a pretty hefty investment when it comes to a new DJI drone. He's also saying that the Phantom 5 series that he saw a prototype of is probably going to come out close to $2,000. So you've got a Spark 2 that's going to compete with the Mavic Air. You've got a Mavic Pro 2, which is going to compete with the Phantom 4 series and the Mavic Air. And then you have a Phantom 5 series, which is going to compete with the Inspire series with a detachable 50mm camera. That is a lot to think about. So if they do release these drones, what is it going to do for the current models? What is it going to do for the Mavic Pro? What is it going to do for the Mavic Pro Platinum? What is it going to do for the Phantom series, the Advanced and the Phantom 4? And what is it going to do for the Inspire series, which are kind of running $3,000 plus? If you think about it, cost-wise, if you're looking to get an Inspire and you don't want to spend that cash, yeah, spending $2,000 on a Phantom 5 Pro or $1,300 on a Mavic 2 instead of a Phantom 4 Pro, this is getting kind of hard to keep track of, it might be worth it. But for the guys out there that are the novice pilots that just want a camera drone to take out to the beach, these are some pretty high prices for the next generation of DJI drones. It's just my opinion that this guy may have some inside advice, and he's probably just keeping the buzz going on DJI because DJI wants to keep your attention. Right now, he has a tweet that says that, you know, DJI is going to kill the Autel 1-inch because it's not for sale. I actually was waiting for the Autel 1-inch, but I'm losing a little bit of, I think, faith in Autel, because at 2016 CES, Autel released or had a prototype of a retractable X Pro Premium that had interchangeable lenses or interchangeable cameras. We are going into 2018 with the release or the introduction of the Autel Evo at CES, but again, there's no actual update on when this thing's going to be released. Even though the Autel drone is probably going to be like a couple $100 less than the Phantom 5, Mavic Pro 2, whatever series drones that are coming out, most guys are going to hop on it and they're probably going to go to DJI because they have a name, they have a backing, and they also have a camera that is hard to beat. But I wonder what you guys think. Leave some comments below. I thought I'd get that out to you, let you go take a look at it yourself. Seems to know what he's talking about. Let's talk about it. I'll get back to you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.